Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to use a new AI function, ChatGPT function called GPT Task. So what does GPT Task do for you? So as a researcher, I think one of the use cases is that let's say you are doing a research about a specific topic and then you also want to be updated. You want to be up to date in terms of what is really going on about a topic, right? So you can ask this system to give you new information about a specific topic every day, or maybe every hour, or maybe every week. You can ask the system to search for new articles related to your topic, and the system will be able to do that and then email you and give you that information. So how do you use this one? So when you go to ChatGPT, you choose GPT-4o schedule tasks. So this means that you can ask the system to do a specific task for you and specify the time that you want the system to come back to with you with a completed task. So I'm currently interested in AI agent, and I just want to find out what are the use cases of AI agent for researchers, right? So I want the system to update me every week about this issue about AI agent for doing research. So what I can say is that, can you provide me new updates about this topic, AI agent for social science research? And then when you provide this information, the system can provide you instant information concerning that. Or you can also go further and say that, can you update me every week? So now it has already created a task for you. So every Monday, right, at 9 a.m., I'll receive an email providing me an update about using AI agent for research, right? And it will also provide me a summary about what it has found and also links that I can click on to read more about. You can even ask the system to provide you a specific structure that you want the information to be like, right? So you can tell the system to create a summary and the system will update in terms of what it's going to provide. And the good thing is that you can also ask the system to provide you, you can create different tasks, right? This task might be about AI agent. You can also create another task about different topic, right? So that's how you can use it. And if you want to know the list of tasks that you have asked the system to complete, you go to your account by clicking on your account, and then you go to task. And that will list the list of tasks that you have asked the system to complete. You can see here that I have information about summarizing AI news, right? And every Friday, the system will email me about the AI news. And then now I've added the weekly AI agent update. And then you can always go here and adjust. I can change it to monthly. I can change it to daily, right? And I can change the time. I can change the date, right? When you are done, and you can also delete if you don't want the system to do the task anymore, right? So you always have a way, and here you can provide more description. You can change the description in terms of what you want the system to do for you. After that, you click on save, right? So that's what I have for you. Try it out and let me see how useful this function is. You can also let me know some of the use cases by providing that in the comment section. Thank you so much for your time today.